Alright, so today I'm going to be walking you through how to use ReTickr, and we're going to begin by registering. Let's go ahead and type in your email address. And password. Hit enter and accept the terms of service. That's going to bring up the ReTickr wizard. The ReTickr wizard is basically just getting you started with your first playlist. So you're just going to run through here and select your categories you find interesting. And I'll select a few here. Hit next. That's going to bring up the social media tab. Now we're going to sync up Facebook and Twitter. So just select sync on Facebook. I'm already logged in, so it went ahead and synced for me. And now Twitter. Type in my username. Now we got both those synced. I'll hit finish. And this is your first time dashboard experience with ReTickr. The dashboard is where you're going to make playlists and find feeds to add to those playlists. So here I've got news feeds. At the top we got top 100, which are the most popular feeds within ReTickr. Right here we got private feeds, which will have my Facebook and Twitter accounts that I just added. And then a bunch of other news feed topics, so business and finance, tech and science, and you can just find the stuff that you find interesting and drag it to playlist. So we'll get started by creating our first playlist, and I'll rename this to test playlist. Hit enter, and then we'll pop down to top 100 and start adding feeds to test playlist. Just grab a couple random ones here. You can also pop into different feed categories. We go to sports, we have Fox Sports, and you can also select them from here and put them in test playlist. Alright, so we'll hop into test playlist. I got all these feeds in here, and I can stream that playlist, and it's going to change it from the wizard made playlist to now test playlist. Other actions I'm going to want to do in my dashboard, in my settings we got some account information. You can change your password or show dashboard when ReTickr starts. I don't want that. And we can launch ReTickr when computer starts. I'm going to keep that. Social media tab, this is your Facebook and Twitter location. You can unsync them at any time. And down here we have Google Reader integration, which is a great way to bring all your favorite Google Reader feeds into ReTickr in a nice clean playlist. So go ahead and sync that up. Type in your Gmail account, hit enter, and now that we got that synced, we have a nice Google Reader playlist here, and we can stream that. Other actions you're going to want to do in the dashboard, and all these feeds here will pop up in your private feeds the next time you log in. So pop into preferences, you can change the screen location of ReTickr, speed it up, slow it down, and also you get some more ticker behavior here. Bookmarks, we don't have any yet. This is our first time with ReTickr, so as we bookmark stories we can always find them here. And lastly, we can search feeds over here. So here's some ESPN stuff we can add to test playlist. Also down here we've added the ability to do Twitter mentions, also hashtag mentions and @ mentions. So I'll drag @ ESPN to test playlist, and now I can begin streaming Twitter stuff. Pretty much everything we're going to want to do in the dashboard, so I go ahead and X out of it and launch my browser, which I've resized to match with ReTickr. So now, once you get your day going, you're getting, this is Wizard or Google Reader playlist going, so I get the most recent stories from all the RSS feeds that I subscribe to, and I can run through these faster if I would like, and I can also select a story and read the full article there. Tell us if you liked it or disliked it. Bookmark it for later. Share it with your friends. You can share it to Twitter, Facebook, and email with a single retick. I'll go ahead and send this story to myself. And I'll just send it to my email. Send retick, hit yes, and that should be in there shortly. I can also view this story in browser and get more from the source. So here's /. And I can read around and X out of that and get back to ReTickr whenever I'm done. Some more actions you have with ReTickr, you can update your Twitter and Facebook status. So I'll just say testing out ReTickr, and I can post that to Twitter and Facebook or one or the other. You can also, like I did before, change playlist on the fly. And here you have more ticker options. Speed it up, slow it down, whatever you choose. You can put it on the bottom, left, and right side of your screen. I prefer the top. You also have some more ticker behavior options here. And the last button here, the home screen, you can bring up your dashboard and make more playlists here. That is pretty much everything you're going to be doing with ReTickr. As you can see, you get all your favorite updates from only the sources you want in the most real-time fashion. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.